In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use the fast audio switcher on Windows 10. So in order to do a quick audio switcher like you might have on Windows 7, this tutorial will be for you. So without further ado, we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the Start menu just by left clicking on the Start button one time. I'm going to type in Run. Best Match should say Run right above Desktop App. You want to left click on that one time. Now in the Open field, you want to type Control. Left click on OK. So now you want to set your view by up here to large icon. So if it's set to category, you want to set it to large icon. Now for your sound icon right here, you want to right click on it. Left click on create shortcut. It's going to say Windows can't create a shortcut here. Do you want to place a shortcut on your desktop instead? Left click on yes. And now that the shortcut has been created, now you have a simple double click option to get right into it. So if you wanted to switch between speakers or audio inputs or outputs, it's very simple. You have a shortcut right on your desktop. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.